Just sitting on a chair, I bring to you one simple and easy exercise to lose your belly fat, get a flat belly and a slim waist. What more do you want? This is an all-in-one sitting in a chair exercise. Without even moving a limb, all you have to do is breathe. The right breathing technique with which you can burn your belly fat. This is what you're going to learn today. It's called breathing fire. One simple technique to burn your belly fat, to speed up your metabolism and lose your weight overall. This is just one exercise which is definitely going to help in the fat burning process of your body, which lies right here in your belly. The kriya is called Kapal Bhati. This is the most powerful yogic kriya or pranayam which people often do to burn their full body fat just sitting in a place. It's usually done sitting on the floor, but I know there's many of you watching out there who are not very comfortable sitting on the floor. So I'm going to teach you an easy and simple technique of how you can achieve the same results with this very exercise sitting in a chair. The ancient science of yoga boasts of a huge array of exercises, asanas, pranayam, simple breathing techniques which help understand the body language, the internal organs of a human body, which is the most complicated machine only made by God. Even human beings haven't been able to replicate the God-made machine called humans. Our system within is so fragile and it is so sensitive that it is very, very receptive to whatever exercises we do and whatever food we put into our body. But sadly enough, nowadays people don't exercise enough, they're leading sedentary lifestyle sitting in a chair. But if I brought to you one simple exercise that can and does have the capacity to burn your body fat and especially your belly area, make you sweat with just a breathing technique, wouldn't you like to understand this kriya further? As ancient yogic gurus used to perform this very kriya, they called it Kapal Bhati, which means the shining forehead. The forehead will be shining after doing this, not just from the exercise that your body gets, but also from the views, the less stressful lifestyle which you will probably inculcate after doing this very pranayam. The aim is to do it 10 minutes on a daily basis, but for beginners, it might be a little exhausting. So I suggest 1 to 3 minutes for beginners, and for the medium or intermediate level, I probably suggest 5 to 7 minutes, and for the advanced level, if you can do it for 10 to 15 minutes a day, you will see magnificent results. So this is a fat burning exercise, especially around your belly area. So you have to keep your hands like this, touching your thumb with the index finger. This is the mudra you have to sit in. Absolutely calm, close your eyes, and you only have to concentrate on breathing out. And when you breathe out, your stomach will go in, the abdomen will shrink, and the moment you breathe out, it's going to expand. But you don't have to concentrate on breathing in, only have to concentrate on breathing out. It's a natural process of the human body. We do end up taking in air, oxygen, because that's what our body needs. This exercise only focuses on what you're throwing out, the carbon dioxide out of the body, and that's what you have to concentrate on. You can feel this entire area shrink, expand, shrink, expand, and this very movement, reverberating movement, is going to cause a lot of toning, tightening and strengthening of the belly fat muscles. This has the capacity to even fat burn your muscles around this very area to see amazing results. The most common problem people face while doing this is how to keep count of how many counts have I done. For the simplest way to do it is you can use your hands as a count. This is 10 counts, 20, 30 on one finger, then 40, 50, 60 on the second finger, then again 10, 10, 10. Like this, you complete 100 counts on this very finger. But you only have to concentrate on counting 10, then you change. So it's very, very easy. So you have successfully completed one whole round of Kapal Bhati, which is about 100 counts or 100 reps. I would suggest you do at least 2 to 3 rounds, 200 to 300 counts on a daily basis. The first thing you have to keep in mind is to be able to do this exercise, you have to be empty stomach. Even if you've had your dinner or lunch and you want to do this exercise, please keep a gap of at least 2 hours between this exercise and your meals. And if you're suffering from hypertension, high cholesterol, then please avoid this exercise because this has to be then done under medical supervision. And also for people who feel acidic or who have a neck pain, shoulder pain, can avoid this exercise, but for other people, this exercise is the biggest boon and the biggest blessing that yoga has brought to you. Don't forget to take advantage of this exercise every single day. It's called Kapal Bhati and it's one answer to all your queries. If you want a flat belly, this is the exercise to do. I've taught you the technique. Watch this very video again, do 100 counts along with me every single day, and then on you can increase it. And don't forget to comment below how many counts have you managed to complete every day. I want you to make it a point, take a 7 days challenge. Come on to the comment section and every morning after doing this, tell me how many counts have you done with the date mentioned. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.